So chromatin that is divided into two types. One is your heterochromatin and another one that is the euchromatin. Okay, what is heterochromatin and what is euchromatin? So in some part of the chromatin that are more condensed, some part of chromatin that are more condensed. More condensed means here the coiling is more condensed means what? Coiling that is more here. And some part of the DNA or some part of the chromatin that are less condensed, किछि पार्ट रे कणा होचे डीएनए एंड हिस्टोन प्रोटीन रो कॉइलिंग बहुत हाई लेवल रे होचे एंड किछि पार्ट रे डीएनए एंड हिस्टोन प्रोटीन रो कॉइलिंग कणा होचे लेस कॉइलिंग होचे. सो लेस कॉइलिंग पार्ट के कहूछ हम काम बोली करी यूक्रोमाटिन पार्ट एंड मोर कॉइलिंग पार्ट के कहूछ हम काम बोली करी हेटेरोक्रोमाटिन पार्ट बोली करी कहूछ. तो आमे जते बेला गोटे सेल देखुछु, सपोज गोटे सेल हला, सेल रो जदि हम गोटे न्यूक्लियस काटली, सपोज दिस इज वन न्यूक्लियस रे भितरे देयर इज प्रेजेंस ऑफ व्हाट? इनसाइड द न्यूक्लियस देयर इज प्रेजेंस ऑफ आवर क्रोमाटिन मटेरियल. तो सम पार्ट ऑफ द क्रोमाटिन मटेरियल that are very highly condensed part and some part are less condensed. देखो किछि पार्ट रे डार्क कलर दिसुचे, किछि पार्ट डार्क कलर दिसुचे. जदि हमें काने करनमा क्रोमोसोम के जदि हम क्रोमाटिन पार्ट के जदि हम स्टेन करमा, क्रोमाटिन के जदि हम स्टेनिंग करूछु मींस किछि कलरिंग सॉल्यूशन रे क्रोमाटिन के हमें काना करूछु, जदि क्रोमाटिन के स्टेनिंग करा जाउछे, स्टेनिंग मीन्स किसी कलरिंग सब्सटेंस जदि देकरी ताके हमें माइक्रोस्कोप अंडर जदि स्टडी करमा क्रोमाटिन के, तो किछि पार्ट रे स्टेनिंग मीन्स काना कलरिंग प्रोसेस के कहूछु, कलरिंग बाय सम केमिकल्स. किछि केमिकल्स देकरी हमें स्टडी करूछु जदि सेल के, तो से टाइम रे व्हाट विल हैपन? After staining, some part of the chromatin will take more staining. किछि part हमर काना हबा, किछि part will take more stained, and किछि part ता काना हबा less stained. More stained माने काना ई part ता काना दिसबा, this part will become darker part. ई part काना दिसबा darker दिसबा, and some part will took less stained means ये पार्ट कण दिसबा लाइटर दिसबा, पार्ट दिसबा कण हमर लाइटर दिसबा, फिका फिका लगबा. किछि पार्ट दैट आर डार्कर एंड किछि पार्ट दैट आर लाइटर. तो जेन पार्ट देखो जदि हमें स्टडी करूछु, तो किछि पार्ट दिस पार्ट दैट इज डार्कर पार्ट एंड दिस पार्ट दैट इज लाइटर पार्ट. किछि पार्ट रे नो कॉइलिंग टा कम है, बट हियर द कॉइलिंग इज मोर. जेन पार्ट टा कॉइलिंग मोर है से पार्ट के हमें कहूछु काम लिख रही दैट पार्ट हियर, दिस पार्ट दैट इज नोन एज योर हेटेरोक्रोमाटिन. दिस इज योर हेटेरोक्रोमाटिन. एंड दिस पार्ट वेयर द कॉइलिंग ऑफ द डीएनए दैट इज वेरी लेस, दैट पार्ट इज नोन एज व्हाट? यूक्रोमाटिन. जेन पार्ट टा लेस कॉइलिंग है से पार्ट के कहूछ हमें यूक्रोमाटिन. जेन पार्ट टा के हाईली कॉइल्ड है से पार्ट टा के हमें कहूछ का बोली करी हेटेरोक्रोमाटिन बोली करी कहूछ. सो दुईटा टाइप रो क्रोमाटिन देखबार के मिलचे, गोटे होचे हमर हेटेरोक्रोमाटिन आ गोटे पार्ट हला हमर यूक्रोमाटिन. तो काना काना आउट डिफरेंस जो होचे जदि हमें देखमा हेटेरोक्रोमाटिन पार्ट टा टिपिकली heterochromatin part এটা হচ্ছে আমার কানা here this is inactive for transcription. this is inactive for transcription. ये पार्ट रू हमर ट्रांसक्रिप्शन नहीं हुए. ओके, इनएक्टिव फॉर द ट्रांसक्रिप्शन. ट्रांसक्रिप्शन माने काना डीएनए रो आरएनए फॉर्मेशन हवा. डीएनए नो आरएनए फॉर्मेशन हवर प्रोसेस टा ई पार्ट ऑफ डीएनए, ई पार्ट जेन डीएनए अच्छे से पार्ट रू ई पार्ट जेन डीएनए अच्छे से पार्ट रू डीएनए नो आरएनए फॉर्मेशन नहीं हो पारे. So that is inactive for the transcription. Whereas the euchromatin part, that is simple, as it is simple, or here the coiling is very less, so it is the active part for transcription. Okay, this is the active part for the transcription, means here there will be occurrence of formation of RNA from the DNA. So here the RNA will form from this part of the DNA. ओके, तो ई पार्ट रो हमर काना फॉर्मेशन हवा, ई पार्ट रो हमर आरएनए रो फॉर्मेशन हवा, द पार्ट रो हमर आरएनए रो फॉर्मेशन हवा. whereas this part will not able to form the RNA. Okay, so that this is inactive for the transcription process, and this part that is active for the transcription process. Okay, so here the compactation is more. The heterochromatin part रे हमर काना इचे compactation is more, compactation that is more, whereas in the euchromatin part the compactation is less, compactation that is very less. Okay, so some part of the DNA or some part of the chromatin that are having more compactation, and some part of that is very less compactation. That less compact part is called as your euchromatin, and the more compact part that is known as what? Heterochromatin. And this is less, this is inactive part. And when we see the more when we see their amount in this nucleus रे heterochromatin and euchromatin रो जदि proportion देखुछु, it is very less. Heterochromatin part that is very less, approximately 10% of the whole chromatin. Whole chromatin रो 10% only होउछ हमर heterochromatin part, and approximately 90%, approximately 90% that is more part of the chromatin that are euchromatin part, that are the active part. Okay, so these are the differences between the heterochromatin and euchromatin. Okay, so there is two type of chromatin, heterochromatin and euchromatin. Okay, let's see the type of chromosome. Types of chromosome. When we see the chromosome, as you know that chromosome that is having a centromere here, this part, this center part, that is called as your centromere. Okay, so on the basis of this on the basis of the position of this centromere, on the basis of position of centromere, centromere रो पोजीशन के बेस करी करी किन जगह रे सेंट्रोमियर टा प्रेजेंट अच्छे क्रोमोसोम रा ताके बेस करी करी there are different types of chromosome. One is basically we have divided 4 types of this chromosome. One, two, 3 and 4. So first chromosome, that is metacentric chromosome, then submetacentric chromosome, another one that is the acrocentric chromosome, and last one, that is telocentric chromosome. Okay, what is metacentric chromosome? If the position of the centromere, that is at the center, if position of centromere रो पोजीशन जदी पूरा सेंटर रे अच्छे, सेंट्रोमियर रो पोजीशन जदी केना अच्छे, इफ दैट इज इन सेंटर, सेंटर रे थिबार द्वारा हाउ इट विल लुक, लेट्स सी हियर, दिस इज वन chromatid, this is another chromatid. Okay, here one chromatid, this is another chromatid. तो क्रोमाटिड जेतेले देखुछु, देखा गोटे क्रोमाटिड, गोटे सिंगल क्रोमाटिड जेतेले देखुछु, सेंट्रोमियर रो पोजीशन टा काना अछि सेंटर रे अछि, सेंटर रे जेहेतु अछि इतर काना अछि, इटा गोटे आर्म हला. ओके, इटा गोटे आर्म कहला, दिस इज वन आर्म, दिस इज अनदर आर्म. तो दुही आर्म रो साइज काना अछि इक्वल अछि, लेंथ काना अछि इक्वल लेंथ, दुही आर्म रो लेंथ काना अछि इक्वल लेंथ, दिस इज वन आर्म, दिस इज अनदर आर्म. क्रोमाटिड्स रे गोटे गोटे आर्म रो लेंथ जदी इक्वल लेंथ असला, का जे इक्वल लेंथ असला, बिकॉज द पोजीशन ऑफ द सेंट्रोमियर दैट इज एट द सेंटर, एंड जदी पोजीशन टा सेंटर रे अच्छे, दैट टाइप ऑफ क्रोमोसोम इज कॉल्ड एज मेटासेंट्रिक क्रोमोसोम. Okay, so what is metacentric chromosome? If the position of the centromere, that is at the center, so that the arm of the chromatid will become same, the length of the arm of that chromatid will same, that type of chromosome is called as what? Metacentric chromosome. काहे कहू metacentric chromosome? जदि हमर मिडिल रे पूरा प्रेजेंट रहला, सेंटर रे पूरा जदि प्रेजेंट रहला, so that what will happen, सेंटर रे प्रेजेंट थिबार द्वारा क्रोमाटिड रो आर्म मानकर लेंथ कण हबा समान रहबा, so that the type of chromosome is called as metacentric chromosome. Then what is submetacentric chromosome? Here the position of the centromere, that is near to center, but not in center, but not at center. Center नहीं थई करी, that will be present near to center, पाखा पाखी center रो पाखा पाखी थिबा. Okay, suppose this is one arm, this is centromere, okay. Here let's see, here this arm is as compared to this arm. Okay, दुई arm के जदि देखु छु, as compared to these two arm, this arm and this arm, when we see these two arm, this arm that is having, that is quite smaller, this is smaller and this is larger. Okay, that is smaller, that but जदि smaller और larger देखु छु, बहुत larger के बहुत smaller नहीं रहबार से पाखा पाखी समान रोचे, but just किछि small difference रोचे तकर length रे, so that जेहेतु center रो पाखा पाखी जदि हम देखमा, this will be the center, इटा हला हमर पाखा पाखी तार center हला, center रे नै थई करी, that is present just nearer to the center, so that is called as what? Submetacentric chromosome. So submetacentric chromosome द्वारा one arm will be smaller and another one will be larger, but not so much larger or not so much smaller. Then what is acrocentric chromosome? When we say acrocentric chromosome, here the position of the centromere, that is near to, this is near to end. Okay, end माने कना, that is the tip of the chromosome, and last class we have discussed the tip of the chromosome, that is the telomere. Tip of the chromosome, that is telomere. जदि centromere टा that will be present near to one end गोटे end रो पाखा पाखी जदि centromere present अछि not in the end near to end so that गोटे बहुत larger arm formation होबा और गोटे smaller arm formation होबा so this is very small arm this is smaller arm but that is very smaller arm and this is very larger arm this is very larger this is very larger arm so here very larger arm will form and one very larger very smaller and one very larger arm will form okay so this is very smaller this is very larger so here e end pakapaki this is the telomere pakapaki amar centromere jodi present ache so that the type of chromosome is called as part acrocentric chromosome then what is telocentric chromosome if the position of the centromere if the centromere that present is the centromere that present at the telomere or at the end जदि एंड रे पूरा प्रेजेंट अच्छे क्रोमोसोम रो बेले सता कि कहू हम काम बोली करी टेलोसेंट्रिक क्रोमोसोम देखो हियर वी कांट डिस्टिंग्विश टू आर्म दुईटा आर्म भितर हम डिस्टिंग्विश करने परु न देयर विल बी प्रेजेंस ऑफ सिंगल आर्म इन द क्रोमोसोम रे हमर काना प्रेजेंट थिबा हियर नाउ देयर विल बी प्रेजेंस ऑफ one arm this is one arm this is one arm of this chromatid have single arm in the metacentric chromosome re this is one arm this is one arm this is one more arm this is another arm this is one arm this is one arm so here all these three type in the above all these three type metacentric submetacentric or acrocentric chromosome they have one every chromatids have a two arm okay all these have every chromatid have two arms okay whereas in this telomere there will be presence of single arm one arm only okay because the centromere that is present at the tip or at the end that's why that is called as your telocentric chromosome okay so write things here when we see human being in human being in human out of this four type of your chromosome the telocentric chromosome is absent in human being there is absence of telocentric chromosome okay the human being re there is presence of metacentric submetacentric acrocentric but this is absent in case of our human being okay so these are the four basic types of chromosome that is found in case of your human being sorry the telocentric is absent in case of your human being but basically in case of your plants all these type of chromosome are found okay so these are the different types of chromosome on the basis of position of the centromere okay another difference we will make another types of chromosome on the basis of its involvement in the sex determination okay chromosome on the basis of its involvement in sex determination Okay, so basically there are two type of chromosome. One is the autosome and another chromosome, that is the heterosome, or autosome are also called as what? Somatic chromosome, and heterosome that are also called as sex chromosome. Okay, so autosome, this is not involved in sex determination. This is not involved in sex determination. Good individual sex, that will be male or female haba, that is not decided by the presence of this autosome, but one individual will be male or female, that is decided by this sex chromosome. Okay, so it is involved in sex determination, involved in sex determination. Okay, autosome that are involved, that are not involved in the sex determination, whereas these are involved in the sex determination. When we see human being, in human case re, there is presence of total, how much chromosome are there in human being? There is presence of total 46 chromosome. Total is kete chromosome? There is presence of total 46 chromosome, and out of this 46 chromosome, the 44 chromosomes or 22 pairs that are the autosome, these are the autosome, and one pair or two chromosome, that is the sex chromosome. Okay, so in this one pair, in case of our male, in case of male individual, there is presence of X, Y, two different types of sex chromosome, one X chromosome, one Y chromosome. Whereas in case of your female, there is presence of XX type of sex chromosome. Okay, and here we represent this as 22 pair of autosome. Autosome is denoted as A, whereas this male case re, there is presence of XY type of chromosome. So sex chromosome के तरह चे X and Y type of sex chromosome. Okay, यदि individual रे there is presence of 44 plus XY, then that will be male individual. If there is presence of 44 autosome plus XX, then that will be female individual. So this XX or this XY only decide the maleness or femaleness of an individual. Good individual raw maleness or femaleness ta only decide correlation can one that is decided by the presence of XX or XY. So that these are called as sex chromosome. If there is presence of XY, then that will be male. If there is XX, then that will be female. But here all these 44 autosome and 44 autosome both are common in both male and female individual. So this is not involved in the sex determination. जेहेतु दुईटा common अच्छे से लगी माने sex determination रे involved नहीं रहबार. So that these are the somatic chromosome or these are the autosomes. Okay. So this is on the basis of whether the chromosome is involved in the sex determination or not. Okay, then let's see the chromosome number. Here in case of a human being there is presence of 46. So when we see the cell, there are basically two type of cell. One is the haploid cell, another is the diploid cell. Chromosome number. There is basically two type of cell, or one is the haploid cell, another that is the diploid cell. In the haploid cell there will be presence of one set of chromosome, one set of chromosome gute set present thiba, not, that is not present in pair, this is not existing in pair. Okay, but in the diploid cell there will be presence of two sets of chromosome, that means here the chromosome that are occurring in pair, the chromosome that are occurring in pair. Okay, so if you see in case of your haploid cell means one of the example, that is the gametes. Haploid means haploid cell, that is the gametes in case of your sperm, in case of your ovum, or this is the male gamete, in case of your male gamete, or in case of your ovum that is the female gamete. Male gamete or female gamete, these are the haploid cells. In case of your human being, human being case there will be presence of how many chromosomes? There will be presence of 23, and in the female gamete also there will be presence of 23. Okay, there will be presence of one set of chromosome that is not existing in the pair. So in the 46 that is 23 pairs, 46 is the 23 pair, but in the gamete out of this pair only one set will be present. In the gamete there will be presence of 23, and in case of your diploid cell there will be presence of pairing. So diploid cell जदि देखमा chromosome, जदि chromosome देखुछु, chromosome number जदि देला, chromosome number chromosome number 1, chromosome number 2, chromosome number 3 suppose. Okay, so chromosome number 1 के तरह थी बात, there will be presence of two number of chromosome number 1, two number of chromosome number 2, two number of chromosome number 3. Okay, so this is one set of chromosome, this is another set of chromosome. Okay, so here the total number of chromosome, that is what? Total number of chromosome is 6, but how many sets of chromosome? 3 sets of chromosome. Sorry, wait. Total number of chromosome is there, but how many pairs of chromosome? 3 pairs of chromosome. Okay, there is presence of 3 there is presence of 3 pairs, but this is one set, this is one set, this is another set. Okay, how many sets? There will be presence of 2 sets of chromosome in the diploid condition. Okay, but a haploid condition there will be presence of only one set of chromosome. Okay, haploid रे one set of chromosome थिबा, but in case of your diploid there will be presence of 2 sets of chromosome. Sabu chromosome दुईटा present थिबा, so that are occurring in the pair condition. Okay, the human case रे देखमा 46 रे 23 pairs थिबा, means 46 chromosome थिबा diploid cell रे. Okay, 46 chromosome थिबा in the diploid cell रे, and 23 chromosome thiba in case of your haploid cell. So this is the chromosome number, and in a different organism there will be presence of different number of chromosome. In human being there is presence of 46, but you have to refer any Google and you can find in which organism how many number of chromosomes are there. Okay, for example in case of your Physum sativum, in case of Physum sativum, in case of Physum sativum there is presence of 7 pairs of chromosome, 7 pairs of chromosome, and that 7 pairs having 14 number of chromosome, 14 chromosome. This is one example. Another example, Okay, so in different organism there is different number of chromosome. Okay, in human being there is 46. In case of the Pygium sativum there is presence of 14 number of chromosome, and that 14 chromosomes in the diploid cell, that is occurring in 7 pairs. एक नंबर क्रोमोसोम दुईटा, दुई नंबर क्रोमोसोम तीनटा, तीन नंबर, चार नंबर, 5 नंबर, 6 नंबर, 7 नंबर, all these chromosomes they will occurring in the pair condition. Okay, so this is all about your chromosome. Then let's see another part of the chromosome which will leads to formation of our nucleolus. Okay, so let's see another type of chromosome, that is the satellite chromosome. Another chromosome, that is satellite chromosome. What is satellite chromosome? If we see one chromosome, this is chromosome, suppose this is the primary constriction, this is the primary constriction, this is the primary constriction, or that is also called as centromere. Okay, but in some chromosome there is presence of another constriction. किसी chromosome रे आउ गोटे constriction present इसी. Okay, that is not found in every chromosome. This is the secondary constriction. Constriction रो माने होचे भीतर के just के ढुकी जीत बाटे कोसो constriction बोली के. So this is the secondary constriction. इनटा के जेहेतु primary नहीं आजिचे, this is the secondary constriction. किसी chromosome रे secondary constriction देखबार के मिलसी. And due to the secondary constriction, ऊपर गोटे हमर काना होचे गोटे bulb like structure टे formation होचे. And this structure which is formed here, this structure then formation होइचे, this structure is known as what? This is called as satellite. इटा के कहू हमें काम करी satellite. Okay, satellite, that is the bulb or knob like structure formed due to secondary constriction. Okay, so this is called as satellite. And the chromosome which possess this satellite, सब chromosome रे satellite नहीं थे. The chromosome which possess this satellite, that chromosome is called as what? Sat chromosome or satellite chromosome. Okay, the chromosome that possess this secondary constriction or satellite, that is called as what? It's called sat chromosome. Okay, the sat chromosome, that is not found in satellite is not found in every chromosome. किछिटा क्रोमोसोम अच्छे जदि आम ह्यूमन बीइंग केस रे देखुछु, ह्यूमन बीइंग केस रे किछिटा क्रोमोसोम अच्छन जेन क्रोमोसोम रे हम देखबार के मिलसी सैटेलाइट टा. तो केते केते नंबर क्रोमोसोम रे देखबार के मिलसी जे देखमा इन केस ऑफ योर ह्यूमन बीइंग केस रे क्रोमोसोम नंबर जदि देखुछु, क्रोमोसोम नंबर 13, chromosome number 14, chromosome number 15, chromosome number 20 and chromosome number 21. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 chromosome number 13, 14, 15, 20 and 21. E पांचटा chromosome रे there is presence of what? There is presence of satellite. Okay, तो क्रोमोसोम नंबर 13, 14, 15 एंड 20 एंड 21 इमान को कहा मैं काम वाली करी सेट क्रोमोसोम और सैटेलाइट क्रोमोसोम. दीज आर कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? सेट क्रोमोसोम और सैटेलाइट क्रोमोसोम बोली करी कहना. ओके, सो ह्यूमन बीइंग केस रे सैटेलाइट क्रोमोसोम रो काम करना एवरी जेंस रे भी सैटेलाइट क्रोमोसोम प्रेजेंट थिबा. सैटेलाइट क्रोमोसोम और से सैटेलाइट रो काम करना. दिस इज द साइट of before that, this is not the site actually this satellite or that sat chromosome, from that satellite part there will be formation of nucleolus. Okay, so it will form nucleolus. Okay, so nucleolus, as the nucleolus is formed from the satellite, that's why that satellite is also called as NOR. Satellite के otherwise को ऐसे काम लिख रही NOR. NOR means what? दुई मिनिट पर बंद हवा तापर सैटेलाइट क्रोमोसोम सारी के न्यूक्लियोलस सारी दमा जी 2 मिनिट पर बंद होला पर आगे कनेक्ट हो. तो NOR that is nucleolar organizing region. Okay, nucleolar means nucleolus रो असला nucleolar. तो nucleolus जेन पार्ट रो फॉर्मेशन होचे क्रोमोसोम रो से पार्ट के कोजो में काम वाली करी NOR और nucleolar organizing region. ई पार्ट रो मोर nucleolus रो फॉर्मेशन होबा. ओके, तो 13 नंबर क्रोमोसोम रो भी 14 नंबर क्रोमोसोम रो सैटेलाइट 15 नंबर क्रोमोसोम रो सैटेलाइट 20 21 सबुतिर क्रोमोसोम रो सैटेलाइट माने मिसी करी दे विल फॉर्म द न्यूक्लियोलस इन ए सेल. ओके, so this is all about your satellite chromosome. Let's see how this satellite chromosome that will make the satellite chromosome will make your nucleolus. This is the structure of satellite chromosome. Okay, आतुर जानो